The session recording feature of Secret Server enables real-time monitoring and playback of sessions launched from the application. Session recording is a licensed feature that comes with Platinum Edition or is offered as an add-on for Professional Edition. To enable session recording, navigate to Admin Configuration and then click the Session Recording tab. Click Edit and then check the box to enable session recording. The page refreshes and displays default configuration settings. Hide Recording Indicator allows you to hide the red recording indicator on the Secret Launcher icon from end users, as well as the recording notification when users launch into a session. Enable on-demand video processing will leave the encoded recording received from the protocol handler in WebM format, which Chrome and Firefox web browsers can play natively. Internet Explorer and Edge browsers currently have issues playing WebM videos, so if these browsers are used, when viewing a session recording, you will be presented with a Request Video Processing button, which converts the video to MP4 format that is compatible with IE or Edge. Unchecking this setting will ensure Secret Server automatically converts all recordings from WebM to MP4 format immediately, which will result in increased processing time and load on the web server, but is recommended if there are a majority of users using IE or Edge browsers. Enable Inactivity Timeout forces sessions to disconnect when idle for a predetermined duration. Users will be given a warning prompt 5 minutes before this duration, and if no response is received, the session will be disconnected. Max session length sets a hard limit to how long a recorded session may last. This setting prevents accidental recordings if a user forgets to disconnect their session. After the configured duration, the session will be automatically disconnected and the recording ended and uploaded to Secret Server. Use hardware acceleration allows Secret Server to attempt to use hardware acceleration for video processing when reformatting recordings to MP4, and is recommended as the app will automatically fall back to non-hardware acceleration if necessary. Save Videos To is an option for on-prem editions of the app and includes options to save recordings to the Secret Server database or a specified local or remote folder path. It is recommended to only save recordings to the database during testing and to select a remote file path to store recordings in production. To store recordings on disk, the application pool service account must have write permissions to the specified folder path. For cloud editions of the app, recordings will be saved to cloud storage, which is managed by Thycotic. Platinum Edition will come with 4 terabytes of cloud storage, and additional storage can be purchased from Thycotic if needed. Archive location dependent on site allows for setting multiple folder paths for saving recordings based on the site assigned to the secret. Use Temporary Archives stores temporary recording data at the archive folder path instead of the database for increased performance. Encrypt Archive on Disk enables encryption at rest for session video files stored on disk. If encrypted, these videos will not be viewable directly from the file system and will only be playable from the Secret Server web interface. If using SSH or RDP proxy, keystroke activity can be captured in addition to video recordings. You can enable any combination of the two by selecting from the proxy session recording options dropdown. Enable Deleting will enforce a retention schedule to automatically delete recordings from the database, cloud storage, or remote folder after a specified age. Note, for on-prem editions, the application pool service account must have modified permissions to the specified folder path. Once saved, session recording is enabled globally and can be enabled on individual secrets by enabling on the Security tab of the secret or by enabling recording within a secret policy and applying that policy to a folder, which will automatically enable recording on all child secrets if inheritance is turned on.